हेलो नमस्कार, खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम JVM डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर ऑफ ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. Today we discuss about the most important concept of business economics. Today's topic is economic activity and non-economic activity. Any activity, those activity involved for the profit making, that is the economic activity. In other words, economic activity is an activity of providing, making, buying or selling commodity or services by the people to satisfy day-to-day need of life. Any activity that includes manufacturing, distributing, and utilizing products and services. In fact, whatever that involve money or the exchange of product and services are economic activity. There are various types of business, professions, and employments. This activity provides business activity. This activity provide goods and services to satisfy human needs on a daily basis with the aim of earning profit. Profession. Professional activity, it can also be defined as an occupations and profession job that offer a specialized service and returns of professional charges. Employment activity, the activity is based on a contract between the company and employee. Here, the employee perform duty for the company and are paid wages or salary in returns. We can explain the economic activity with the suitable example. Suppose I teach you for getting the some money. This is the economic activity because my act involve money is involved for my act of services. Features of economic activity: earning motives, utilize creations, satisfactions, measurings. What is non-economic activity? Those activity, money is not involved in those activity that is non-economic activity. Suppose your mother teach you, your father teach you, your brother teach you, that is the non-economic activity, because here money is not involved, profit motive are not involved. We can say that non-economic activity is an activity performed with the purpose of rendering service to others without any considerations of financial gain. Those activities which are initiated for personal contacts or to meet human sentiments are non-economic activity. Some common example of non-activity are free time activity. It is only aimed to acquiring pleasure in ideal time. For instance, paintings and singing, etc. Family commitment activity. All family commitment activity are also non-economic activity. Cultural regional activity is also non-economic activity. Social welfare activity is based on feelings and helping, sympathizing towards others, such as donations to participate on relief camps, etc. All are the non-economic activity. Feature are non-economic activities, service motives, self-satisfactions, non-major in money and social obligations, etc. Thank you.